Happy Monday. It's actually super gloomy and it's even drizzling in LA. We are here in Larchmont Street, I believe. Larchmont Village Square. We're about to go and get my hair did. It's been a hot minute. It's been like about a year since I've actually had my hair done. Not putting heat on it and taking Hair Livy vitamins and using the conditioner and shampoo, seen a significant difference with my hair texture, and it feels so much stronger. It actually feels like it's back to normal. It no longer feels like the fried mess it was just a few months ago. I'll show you guys what the hair is gonna look like afterwards. Oh my gosh, DJ just nailed my hair. Let's just put it this way. Essentially wanted my hair to be like really light blonde. Cool thing about EJ is that he wants to save also the integrity of your hair, and it honestly looks and feels amazing. He lightened it, but my hair still feels healthy. It's exactly what I wanted, and now I can just grow my hair out. Thank you so much, EJ. I'm going to actually put his Instagram here. I'm going to leave all his information down below. We're in Koreatown, and this is where they have really good places to eat. They have somi, they have teriyaki ice cream, but actually we're going to go eat at this one place called K-Lat. My husband and I went here a couple months ago, and they weren't serving like brunch food, so that's where I'm gonna go because I'm hungry. I'm definitely ready to eat. It's actually one of the first places where we explored Daiso. I'm gonna link like any Daiso Japan hauls up here in the corner, up here in the card area, but this is like the very first place where you know, I saw a Daiso store, and I remember the first time I went to Daiso, I went crazy. Like, I remember filling up my basket with just like anything and everything. It took me forever to get this shot. I'm gonna put it like right up here on the screen, but it took me forever. Now I'm gonna go with these. Bulgogi matcha green tea latte is delicious. Look at that, perfection. And I'm gonna post my picture. Happy Wednesday. No, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So we're here at Santa Monica Pier. I'm gonna be like 100% honest with you guys. We have not been here in a really long time. Ian, which is my sister-in-law, brother-in-law's son, and his friend Dewey are here from Alaska. So we're kind of just, you know, we're kind of just touring them around. We're at 3rd Street Promenade, and it looks completely different from how I used to remember it. I guess they really remodeled it. It's been a good couple of years since we've been over this way. The lady who's singing sounds exactly like a Disney princess. Hold on. What did you think? My collection's complete. What did you think? I'm a girl who has everything, but I don't. Look at the stuff, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cow and hold? Look around, where you think? Sure, she's got everything. So we're gonna take them to Roscoe's House of Chicken and Waffles. So I I didn't really vlog yet. Happy Wednesday, you guys. So we are here at Six Flags. It's myself and the boys, Ian, Dewey, and Darren. It's pretty cool because today is Bring a Friend for Free, so we brought both of them for free. Just gonna chill the whole day, and I think they close at 6. It's a little bit packed, but not really. It's not too bad today. Thank goodness. Because I know once June hits, that's definitely when there's gonna be like a ton of people here. Ian, Dewey, and Darren. Like that, our day ended. We're here like practically the whole afternoon, and I think now we're ready to go eat. Alright you guys, so fast forward to Friday. This was the day of Darren's high school graduation. We're at Darren's school. He is graduating high school this afternoon, or this evening. Graduation's at 5. It's like 20 to 5. Just seems like the days are literally flying by. And pretty soon, you know, he's gonna be leaving for the army. It's just such a proud moment. The fact that he graduated even 6 weeks earlier is just like the cherry on top of the cake. So we're super proud of you, Darren. The thing about Darren's high school is that it's a very small school. I think there were about 12 students. It's really nice to attend a graduation where it was more intimate. Everybody at his school, they are so kind and so caring, and they really get to know each of the students, what the students like and dislike. Excellent school. You guys remember my husband and I were making that money lei the other week. Darren didn't know anything about it. He didn't know that we had made him one, and we didn't know if we were supposed to give it before the graduation ceremony or after, but we saw that there were a couple students who had a flower lei. When the students made their way down the aisle to sit at the very front rows, we kind of just put it over so he could wear it during the graduation ceremony, and he was really surprised. He had no idea. Darren led, I believe it's the Pledge of Allegiance at the very beginning of the ceremony. His teachers had asked if he would like to speak during graduation, so he wrote a speech which was very well written, and it was 100% Darren. His humor, his experience at this high school. Wish I had stood up from my chair and moved over to the side to get like a better vantage point, because the angle where I was filming, it wasn't the best, so it was kind of shaky. Every student who graduated had received some sort of scholarship, and Darren also received a scholarship.
As a symbolic gesture of your graduation, please move your tassels from the right to the left. Once again, it is my pleasure to present the Oakview High School class of 2018. Congratulations.
She was staring out the window.
We love you so much. We're so super proud of you for all of your accomplishments, and you're going to just kick some during boot camp. After the graduation ceremony, we ended up going to pho with my parents, with Ian and Dewey, and of course my husband and myself and Darren, just to celebrate. And then after that, we ended up going to City Walk, so I'm just gonna play the rest of the vlog footage. So we're here at City Walk, Universal City. Almost every single time we've been here to City Walk, we always make sure to get a crepe. This is the strawberry banana Nutella crepe, and this is from Crepe Cafe. And I think the Hubs has a regular coffee, and I have a cappuccino. Made it to Venice Beach. The sun is out today. It's beautiful.